Hello, it's Gary Jordan with the Jordan Property Group and eXp Realty. It's a beautiful day in Colorado. If you're thinking about buying a new construction home, couldn't be a better time. I'm here today showing you a quick move-in, ready-to-go model home. Actually, it's a model home located at 5778 Bella Lorenzo Drive. It's in the northwestern part of Colorado Springs, built by Synergy Homes. This home is a two-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, two-car garage, 1,787 square feet, and the priced at $533,900. The builder, Synergy Homes, is providing the buyer a buyer incentive of $12,500 to be applied toward a mortgage buy down or against the price of the home or whatever. This model is available now. We also have two of the same model under construction, be available in mid-December. So once again, Gary Jordan, Jordan Property Group, we specialize in helping our clients purchase new construction homes in the Colorado Springs and Monument area. If you have any questions about this market, thinking about buying a new construction home in the next week, 90 days, 6 months, or a year, let's have a conversation. We can sure help you buy it at the best price, the lowest price, get you the highest buyer incentive too. I produce about 2 of these model home videos per week, give you the opportunity to really know the market. If you're interested in receiving these videos on a regular basis of model homes, quick moving homes, I encourage you to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll see the link here on this video. That way you'll see once or twice per week new homes ready to go. They're available in the Colorado Springs Monument area. So we're going to go inside and take a look at this home. I think you're going to really like it. Once again, 2-car garage, great builder, and great location. This is currently used as an office, but it's really the 2-car garage. First into this home, you'll find some really very attractive wood flooring. We have a powder room bath, a really nice kitchen with quartz counters, nice pantry, stainless steel appliances, a nice kitchen nook area for eating, nice little patio on the deck for enjoying the outdoors, and you got a nice view of, a high ridge. I wouldn't call it a mountain, but it's definitely a nice area and open space area. Here's your family room, a fireplace, high ceilings, ceiling fans, and so forth. Very, very attractive. These homes being priced in the low 5s, making them very affordable. We'll go upstairs now and check out the bedroom area. To our right, up the stairs, would be your master. Very attractive. Keep in mind, this is a model home. See the tray ceilings, pure class. The model home is, fully furnished and looks really, really nice. This is your nice big closet. Flows into your master bath. Double vanities. Got a private toilet room, big shower, nice walk-in closet. Lots of eye appeal. Down the hallway, To the left, you have a full bath with a tub and shower. This will service the 2 additional bedrooms here on this upper level. This room could be used as an office. As you see, it's set up an office right now. Closet, but also could be a bedroom. And the bedroom number 3. Very attractive home. Like I said, this is a really high demand area of Colorado Springs. Northwest part of the city. You're very close to I-25. Restaurants everywhere here. Quality restaurants. Grocery stores, amenities. So a home like this, pricing in the low 4s, is what you're looking for your family or for your stage of your life, maybe a second home, maybe you want to downsize and so forth. Get in touch with me. Give me a call at my direct line, 719-502-7176. Let's have a discussion about exactly what you're looking for, how I can best be of service. I appreciate seeing this video, and I hope to talk to you soon.